everyone! You're watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Today, we're going to be learning how to make delicious Indian sweets, but you won't be able to eat them because they're going to be made out of Play-Doh. So get out your fabulous Play-Doh colors and let's learn how to make some delicious sweets that you can pretend to eat again and again. Keep on watching! Little Ladoo's Craft Box. We hope you enjoyed today's craft and that you will make it at home. When you do, make sure to tag us on Instagram or send us a DM. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and follow us, and let us know what you would like to see next time. Thanks for watching, Little Ladoos. See you next time.